Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my very first video on YouTube. In this channel I am going to upload some videos related to motorbikes and also automobiles. The content of this video will be some features of motorbikes, explain about some system in motorbikes and common problem related to motorbikes and automobiles. You also get some reviews about motorbikes. I think it may be helpful for you to when you buy a new motorbike or use motorbike, and also to use your motorbike properly. Okay, in this first video I'm going to give you some information about a bike. You all know Bajaj Platina. Under the Platina model name, there are 5 with different bikes can be seen according to the engine capacity and number of gears. This video is about Platina 125 DTS Si. Okay, what is this DTS Si is stand for? Actually 125 indicates the engine capacity. That's the swept volume of the piston inside the cylinder of reciprocating engine. Here you can see a engine head. The volume between TDC and BDC is in cubic centimeter, indicates the capacity. In this bike it is 125 cubic centimeter. Okay, let's see what is the TDC and BDC. The topmost portion of the piston inside the cylinder, and also the BDC is the bottommost portion of the piston inside the cylinder. So that is what this 125 shows. Now let's see about what is the DTS Si. DTS is for digital twin spark. You see there are 2 plugs provide spark to ignite the air fuel mixture. Here this is the 2 plugs. One is here, see, and another one is here, this one. The purpose of using 2 plugs rather than one is to burn the air fuel mixture much quicker by the ignition at 2 different points at once. Actually it's increased the efficiency of the bike. Okay, that's for DTS. Then let's see what is this SI. SI is for swirl induction. By this rapid mixing between air and fuel is achieved. In this method, swirl is modified by the combustion chamber cavity as the piston approach top dead center position during compression stroke. Okay, I think now you know what is this DTS Si stand for. Now let's move to other specification of this bike. The engine capacity is 125 cc, which I told you earlier, and this is an air-cooled 4-stroke engine. Max power is 9.50 PS at 7000 rpm. Power of the engine provide vary with the rpm. That is why this rpm value is presented with max power. Max torque is 10.80 Nm at 5000 rpm. Torque is also vary with the rpm. Similarly, the power. Here, more torque is important to have a higher acceleration. When we talk about the transmission, this bike have 4 gears, but previously I told you there are also 5 gear Platina models. This front suspension. Okay, here the front suspension and it is telescopic. It can move 125 millimeters. Okay, let's move to rear suspension. This is the rear suspension and it is a swing arm 5-step suspension. It can move 105 millimeters. Now let's see the brakes. It have drum brakes for both front and rear wheels. You see there. But there are some Platina model. They have disc brake for front wheel. Okay. Another 5 specification are here. This bike has 1.275 meter of wheelbase. That's the distance between the wheel, that point and this point. The overall length of the bike is about 1.99 meter. It's approximately 2 meters. Overall weight of the bike is 113 kilograms. The width of the bike is 77 centimeters. The fuel tank capacity is 13 liters, and also there is a 2 liter of reserve fuel capacity. When you talk about the fuel consumption, it works 82 kilometers per liter. And when you talk about the possible starting method, it has a kick start and also electric start. This is the starting motor. Okay, these are the basic specification of Bajaj Platina 125 DTS Si. Hope to see you again in next video. Subscribe my video channel to be in touch with next video. Thank you.